My first YouTube video. I'm Chase, and this is Chasing Better. Today, I'm talking about my video setup. So before I even start, I just want to make it clear that I'm not affiliated with anybody. For my video setup, I got a mic and a stand off of Amazon. So I'm not using the mic or the stand yet. I've got my S7 Edge cell phone in my hand, and I've got the front facing camera on, so I know that my face is in the frame. But as of right now, yeah, I'm just using my phone. I bought a couple things online, a mic to improve the audio, because as of right now, the audio is garbage, you know? And I bought a stand just so I'm not propping my phone up on books and just tables and shit like that. All of it together was something like $39 just for the two things, a mic and a stand. Which box just came in. Doing things, cutting boxes and shit with one hand, it ain't fucking easy. I'm definitely excited to get this fucking stand out. I was gonna do the mic first, but I think I'm gonna do the stand first, so that then I don't have to hold the camera as, you know, I do the mic setup. So, UB size. This is the box it came in. This is what I got in the box, right here. Here's the stand itself. That's where I put my phone in. A strap. This right here is interesting. I don't know, maybe stop and play. I don't know, let me put this thing together and figure out what the fuck it does. This is what it came out to be. Very simple. There's just two pieces I put together and it stands up. If you wanted to go lower, these right here can bend. Also, they can hook. You can just get creative with it. You can put this fucking thing anywhere. I mean, you could hang it from a tree if you wanted to go outside. TV, dressers, lights, just put it anywhere. Anywhere that's facing you and where you can get some light on your face. Yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. This is what I'm gonna make this video with. And then I'm about to hook up the mic, and then it'll give you an idea of, you know, the type of video quality. I thought about hanging a white sheet behind me so you don't see the background of my house. Whatever. So I'm gonna put it in the stand now. So now I have my phone in the stand, and as you can see, it's much more steady. So now I'm on to my mic. As of right now, these are the only two things I own on top of my phone, which I'm using as my camera. The mic on your phone isn't all that great. I mean, this isn't some like grade A camera either, but I believe it's gonna make, you know, a big improvement, because the videos I've seen a couple other videos of people using the same mic, and it just sounds so much better, more crisp. This was the box. This is some of the shit that came in the box. They gave me a screen cleaner, some card. Actually, it's like a little book, in order to listen to your whatever. But look, they even suggested for great video, look at. I'm already off on a good start. I don't know, some fucking card. Enough of this shit. Anyway, here's the actual item itself. Once I pull it out of this bag. It's a cool little neoprene bag. So I got some like little whisk. I don't know what they're fucking called, but some stuff. A 79-inch extension cord on top of however fucking many inches this thing already is. So I got plenty of extension to, you know, get some distance between me and the camera if I need to shoot something big. As of right now, I don't need the extension cord though. I'm just gonna plug this bitch in. We're gonna see how good it sounds. So this is the mic right here. Right here. Let me clip this bitch like right here where you can't really see it. There, you see, it's on me. But you can't see it in the camera. And now I'm gonna plug it in, and this is where we're gonna see the sound difference. So I'm gonna just say some ABCs real quick. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's just stop it. All right. So this is me on just my Samsung S7 Edge. Here it goes. And now I've plugged it in. recording with earphone mic. Okay, so I just read that across my screen, and I can't hear nothing different right now. Do I sound different? I'm gonna have to stop and replay this shit so I can see for myself. Wow, this thing actually made a difference. When I went back and listened to it, it's much better. So now it's out, now it's in. I noticed if you have like the wire kind of like crossed over itself, you might get some static. I don't know if I have static right now or not. So try to keep your wires kind of straightened out and not like crossing over each other. So I'm happy with it. As of right now, I'm recording a video off my phone, starting out on YouTube. So it's my first video, and this is my first setup. And this is the quality I have. So yeah, in time you can have a professional setup. For right now, this will do. Just shooting videos about what the fuck ever. And so the good thing about this setup is it's real portable, right? The mic isn't any bigger than a set of headphones, and the stand I can just easily put in any bag. So for someone like me who travels a lot, I can just throw this shit in my luggage and I can record a video anywhere. I'm happy with what I have. The quality is good enough for me to, get on my feet and just get started making videos, really. I'm not gonna have some professional setup, off the bat. But until then, just stay with the small setup and, just make some videos and get some practice with editing and whatnot. What I'm using for editing for this video is I'm using KineMaster, and you can YouTube a video on how to use KineMaster, and it's just editing software from your phone. I'm not doing any of this on a laptop. Everything I'm doing this video with is on my phone. So I'm doing the editing with my phone, I'm doing the recording on my phone. Everything is with my cell phone. So just get an idea of what kind of quality you can get from your phone. And I'm sure you can get I'm sure I'm not getting the best quality. There's some other settings and shit I can mess with. And I'm not gonna be that great at editing since I've never done it. But yeah, I made me a logo, went to the logo editor to make me a YouTube logo, the CB for Chasing Better. And then I'm gonna make a thumbnail. So that's the main thing, is make yourself a logo, get some video editing software, learn how to use it, and start recording and figuring it out. So this is my first video, and this is me figuring it out. Now, I am no expert, as you can tell. I'm just some guy with a fucking YouTube channel. Hit that fucking like button and subscribe to my shit. All right, for real though, bye.